How to fit a screw-type lamp holder. Difficulty level 1 hammer. Screw-type lamp holders are designed for use with the E-type bulb with a screw cap fitting. They are used for all forms of commercial lighting and may be used with low-energy bulbs. You will need a screw-type lamp holder, some electric wire, and a light bulb with a screw cap fitting. You will need some wire cutters and strippers, and a small electrician's screwdriver. Before carrying out any work on electric circuits, you should switch off the power supply to the room. If you only turn off an individual circuit breaker, check with a multimeter that the circuit is no longer live. The screw-type lamp holder is made up of several parts: the lampshade ring, the insert with its electrical terminals, and finally, the body of the lamp holder. It is very practical, and the plastic lamp holder may be used with low-power light bulbs. Check the maximum wattage permitted for use. Insert the 2-core wire, one live and one negative, through the back of the insert. Remove 5 mm of insulation from the wire using wire strippers. Connect the electric wires to the terminals and gently tighten the screws. Fit the connecting terminals inside the lamp holder. Then, screw it and the body of the lamp holder together and check that all the parts are tight. Attach a light bulb and check that everything works properly. Fitting a screw-type lamp holder or replacing an existing bayonet-type lamp holder is a job for even the most inexperienced do-it-yourself person.